Good evening everyone. Today is Friday, August 15, 2025. I know you haven't seen me on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook, but time to time, I update the price of gold. Now, last week, the price of gold was 109, and today is 107. So it fluctuates and gold is not fixed. Okay, so I just finished having a conference since this morning. This is Wilhelmina Ford. I live in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia, but the gold is in Mali, Conakry, and Sierra Leone. I only handle my seller that produce gold, okay? Wilhelmina is not an agency. I am the extension of the seller, and my position is different from you guys. Whether you are middleman or chain of joker broker, my role is completely different. I put everything on my channel, the procedure, the price, what necessary requirement that the buyer will comply, and what necessary documentation the buyer will get when he pay the gold. Now, as I've said to you, the price, it fluctuates. What is the difference gold bullion and unrefined? Gold bullion is refined, which is 107 today, August 7, on August 15, August 15, and the price on gold bullion is 107,598.98. That is already refined. So most of the buyer, 98.9 buyer is buying gold bar doré unrefined because they are going to refine into different uses. They can refine it into $1, $2, spare parts on mobile phone, medical uses, jewelry, bracelet, and so forth. So that is not my job. I'm just sharing you a little bit of my knowledge. Why the gold is very important. Okay? So my seller hired Wilhelmina in order to market to the world that we are here. We can supply you when you are really a buyer, when you can afford to pay. Now let's talk about the process securing gold in Africa. As I mentioned to you, why gold is so expensive. Of course, gold is precious. There is a value. Gold can protect your asset. Gold is currency. Gold is money. You must remember. Okay? So now, our selling price on unrefined, $98,000 today. But don't panic because you have not confirmed it. Then you're going to ask, Wilhelmina, what is the price? Our selling price is premium, less 5%. And if you want gold bullion, you can buy that to the central bank, no discount. Because that is already refined and the gold keep on the vault. And this Dory bar, the office keep that into their private vault. They wouldn't put that onto the security company because it's very costly. The demurrage will accumulate every week. So the seller has his own personal vault. Now you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, where is the gold? Well, the gold is in Africa. I will determine where I'm going to take you. I will determine when you meet the criteria. Because when you come on WhatsApp and on Botim, I will urge you to open your camera because I want to study your language. I want to study your conversation. Then I can size up whether you are a buyer or not. Right. So I'm very strict, and I'm no longer providing information because information is worth $1 million. Right. So you are collecting information through my YouTube channel, and you go on my Facebook. You are collecting information, but you are not reading. You're not paying attention. You're not. If you went to school, you need to register. You need to pay attention. You need to digest it. I went to school. My parents sent me to school. I have to pay attention to my professor so that I could give the answer when I have an examination. I would know what to answer. Buying gold, exactly the same. I don't deal chain of joker broker no more. I don't. What a waste of time. I would only entertain the real buyer that can afford to pay. Now, this morning and this afternoon, I had the American buyer, and he went to Kampala, he went to Nairobi, failure. And I told them the gold in Nairobi and Kampala is smuggled from Congo because Congo, there's a lot of gold. And Kampala, they have gold, but you wouldn't get the gold unless you pay for it. And gold is not cheap. Our selling price less 5%. Whatever the world market, less 5%. And then you're gonna say, well, Amina, is it profitable? Of course. Gold is currency. This gold is already finished product. The raw material is coming from Africa. I purchased this in Dubai, in Gold Souk. Where the gold coming from? Africa. Dubai is crying, but we don't bring the gold to any stranger. You have to place your order. And Wilhelmina will collect your credential, like a copy of your business registration, importation license, your passport copy, and most important, the proof of fund that you have $1 million is standby in your bank account. That $1 million is standby in your bank account is to signify that you are a buyer. Now, you're going to say, I don't want to travel to Africa because I'm scared. Well, I'm a woman. I travel. I don't have any security guard. Once you meet the criteria, you will be invited by the seller, and the seller will issue the landing visa for you. But before the seller will issue the landing visa for you, Wilhelmina will scrutinize you first, because I'm going to determine which seller I'm going to take you, either in Mali, Conakry, Sierra Leone, because I need to know how many quantity you want. Is this a short term or long term? We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos, no more. There is a minimum of 10 to 20 kilos to start with. And you're gonna say, well, Amina, there is no profit. There is. Impossible. Impossible, you don't get the profit. When you buy a small quantity, less profit. But if you buy big quantity, more profit. And Wilhelmina will charge you her extra service when she travel with you, non-refundable. So better pay attention, because when you come for conference, I'm going to ask you, how did you get my number? Oh, Wilhelmina, I watched your YouTube channel, okay? Did you really watch from the beginning to the end? Did you really watch the wording on the screen? Because I changed my policy. When I open my mouth, the message is on the screen. I need you to pay attention. I only put my contact number. So you subscribe, then click below. Sometimes I put the requirement that you are going to comply. If I don't see your credential, you wouldn't get the gold. I'm going to reject you. Most of the joker broker hates my guts. Then they're gonna blog me that I'm scam. I don't know how much I scam you guys. I don't have any idea. I live comfortable. I live in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. Yes, when I travel, I do charge my extra service. No such broker will explain to you like this. None whatsoever. There was a joker broker. He said to me a few hours ago, I learned from your YouTube channel. Madam, you mentor me. I said, no, I don't mentor anybody. Just watch. Apply that to yourself because procedures are all the same. Why are all the same? If you're a buyer, you need to know whom you're dealing with. And when you come to Wilhelmina, I'm going to ask you, show me your business registration. Show me your importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund that you are really a buyer. And then, when I review that, I'm going to send it to my head office that I validated you, that you meet the criteria. But if I reject you, tough luck, you don't get whatever you are going to purchase, because gold is not cheap price. It is premium. Gold is currency. Gold is cash business, not CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. No, this is FOB. Put that into your brain. No one is giving you for credit. When you ask for LC, meaning to say you have a shortfall of cash flow. You are going to borrow money in the bank. That is your business. Gold is cash business. Yeah? Do not underestimate Africa. Africa is the main source of precious mineral. Gold, cashew, diamond, bauxite, gas, and so forth. I only handle gold and diamond, Mali. Now let's talk about Mali because someone was asking me this afternoon. Mali is the third largest gold producer in West Africa. The refinery is DNGM. It's a government refinery. You can taste the gold to DNGM and KMR. KMR run by Italian group of company. Marina. It's run by a local partner with a foreigner. And Russian government, they open refinery exclusively for them. They are buying gold in Mali in exchange of government incentive because Russia is putting investment in order to get the gold. So that is not my job. I'm just sharing you a little bit. So my seller in Mali have gold, have tons of gold, but you would not get the gold unless you pay for it. Now, how are you able to pay? You place your order, you come to Wilhelmina for interview. And if you are from Dubai, I will determine which seller I'm going to put you. Now, Conakry is the fourth largest gold producer in West Africa. They produce bauxite and diamond. So if you are from Dubai, go to Conakry, Guinea, because Emirates fly 4 times a week. And Emirates Sky Cargo will handle the shipping for your precious mineral. The office is in the airport of Conakry. So you have to contact them. Don't ask me, Wilhelmina, what about Sky Cargo? You have to do your research. I've done my research. I share it here. But no, you don't need to be parasite because this is a real business. Now in Sierra Leone, my seller recently delivered 200 kilos in Dubai to a jeweler. I have the information, but I would not divulge who is the buyer. Okay, because buyers is private confidential. Now we have a buyer coming from Colombia. He's securing 10 kilos. That is not my client. That is the existing client of my seller. I'm just sharing you because my seller updated me that the Colombian buyer is coming. And I asked my seller, how did you get that buyer? They are an existing customer. Now in Conakry, my seller shipped the gold to Istanbul 1 ton last April. That's their existing client. And you are my new client. My seller has been in gold business for many years. Now, you're gonna say, well, Amina, is there any room for negotiation? Yes, there is. Why? Our selling price was less 5%, right? But because I'm going to travel with you, and I do charge my extra service, I will renegotiate the price for you. Now, let's talk about figures. Today is 107, 107, 598.98, less 5%. Yes, your profit per kilo is 5,379.94 per kilo. Okay? On 5%, this is your profit per kilo. Now, if you increase your order, let's say you order 20 kilos. You multiply this, 20 kilos. This is your profit. You need to invest money in order to get the profit. Right? Now, going back. So, 107,598.98, right? Less 5%. So, you have a profit of 5,379.94, right? Less 5%, 107,598.98. This is the selling price on 5%. Now, because I'm going to travel with you, and you need to come for conference so that I will interview you, and you need to open your camera because I want to see you whether you are really a buyer. Now, because you are paying my extra service, I might renegotiate the price for you to my head office. 107,598.98. I might consider to request my head office to give you less 8 to 10%. Or let's say 10%. Don't bank on it because you have not convinced me. Okay? 107,598.98 less 10%. Oh, my computer, my calculator is playing up. 107,598.98 less 10%. Okay, hang on. 107, my calculator is playing up. 98.98 less 10%. So this is your profit per kilo. Because I'm charging you my extra service to travel with you. I do charge $20,000 non-refundable. You must remember. Okay? This is your profit. So, less 107 again. 598.98. This is the selling price. Tax included. You don't need to pay taxes because we package it. I was the one who asked my head office, let's package it. So let's give the buyer tax included. So don't bank on it because this price is today. Tomorrow and Monday is different. So you always look at the world demand, selling price less 5%. But because you are using Wilhelmina for negotiation, I will convince my head office to renegotiate the price for you because I'm charging you. Don't travel alone because you have not been there. I've been to Africa many times. I know my seller, but the African seller is very hard to deal with. Even though you sign a contract, he will reject you. Now, this is what you have to do, Mr. Buyer. You already met Wilhelmina. You saw Wilhelmina on my YouTube. So, when you have a conference with me, open your camera because I want to see you. Our conversation is recorded. You don't need to be scared because this is for your own benefit. I'm not scared to show my face. I'm not. So when you come for conference, either on Botim or WhatsApp or Skype or Messenger, you need to open your camera because I want to see you, whether you are really serious or not, because I can distinguish that you are not serious. I can distinguish our conversation that you are playing around with me. You don't need to play around because you need to invest $1 million. If you don't have $1 million, how could you get the profit? Yeah, if you have 900,000, yeah. And if you said, oh, I don't trust Africa because you lost money, whose fault is that? You. You don't need to blame the African seller. Why? African seller will say, this is the price. You pay for it. And if you don't have the money asking CIF, you're going to be rejected. And if your term is not acceptable to the seller, yes, you are going to be rejected. It happened. I'm not going to mention the buyer because if I mention the name of the buyer from UK, they're going to be embarrassed. So I'm not going to mention their name. So this video is for everyone. Right. Now, I'm going to put the price after my live video. Now, as I've said to you that gold is very expensive. Why you want to buy gold? Because there is a purpose. You're buying gold because you want to make profit. Gold is profitable business only if you have a capital. Maybe 900, I will fit in you. If you have 950, I will fit in you. But you need Wilhelmina to travel with you. Okay? So that I can bargain on your behalf. Now, the price of gold is fluctuate. Huh? Don't bank on it because it fluctuates every day. Gold is the currency. Gold is the world asset. I mentioned that on every video, but I don't know if you pay attention to this video and my previous video. Right. Africa is rich on natural resources. And if you're looking for cheap price, then you're waiting for disaster. Because if it's incomplete, the export documentation, you are going to stumble down. And the custom will seize the gold. I'll give you an example. There was a guy, and he lived in Finland, but he's African. And he was excited. And he called me and he watched my YouTube channel. And he said, Wilhelmina, I'm impressed with your explanation. I said, why? He lost money in Nairobi. So he bought the gold from Sierra Leone. And the gold was been shipped it to Nairobi. Instead of 20, the owner of the gold, they add 5 kilos to make it 25. So when the gold leave the airport custom, his gold was being seized because the paperwork is not complete. Any seller offer you extra kilos, don't accept it because you are going to be in trouble. Whatever on the contract, whatever on the export documentation, for example, 20 is 20. Do not allow any seller to put more extra and then you pay that after the gold arrived. Do not. You are going to encounter disaster because the custom will open the metal box. The custom will look at all the paperwork, how many quantity, and the carats, etc. And if the quantity is more than 20, then you are in trouble. So don't allow any seller to give you, okay, I can put it and then you pay after that. Don't do that. It happened to one of the buyer. I'm not going to mention his name. So I'm just sharing you. Now, because we are almost ending 2025. The price, there is a prediction. I always watch Kitco. There is a prediction, the anticipation, the gold can be 4,000. Now, on 4,000 per ounce, multiply that to 32.15. This could be the price. This is on the world market. This is refined. So list 5% on this, on unrefined, and Wilhelmina will accompany you. I might consider to give 8 to 10%, but don't bank on it. Don't, because you have not confirmed, you have not convinced Wilhelmina. I'm just giving you preempt. So use this one as your educational tools, and Wilhelmina would not mentor you. Just read it, whatever the wording on the screen, because I changed my style. I've been putting procedure on my YouTube channel. Most of you doesn't read. Maybe you didn't go to school. You didn't comprehend. And then you're excited to come to Wilhelmina. When you come for conference on WhatsApp or Botim, do not say hi, hello, because I'm going to reject you. You already met Wilhelmina. And if you go on my Facebook, everything is in there, picture to picture, video to video. The procedure is there because I put the procedure, the full corporate offer. You read it. You scroll on my platform on Facebook. You scroll it, digest it, and then when you're ready, that is the time you come for conference if you have any question. Now, going back to gold. Gold is tax haven. Don't you know that? What is the difference between gold bullion and Doribar? It's very simple. The question was asked this morning. Well, Amina, what is the difference gold bullion and Doribar? And I said to this buyer, what a silly question. And I told him, okay, I'm giving you a silly answer. Gold bullion is already refined. They remove all the chemical component. That is why it's refined. Now, you cannot get the refined gold without Doribar. You're gonna say, well, Amina, what is the carats? The carats of the Doribar is 23 plus. The purity is 97 plus. It depends. So that is not my job. Your job, because you are a buyer, you do your homework, and what's the movement of gold, because I don't know what you are going to do with the gold. Maybe you're going to sell it to the refinery. That is your business. Our business, we have the gold, you have the money, come and travel and book your trip. Then you inspect the gold. Now, there was an instant that the buyer was talking to me since 2024, November 12, and I was communicating with him for 6 months, and I've given this buyer a very good price, and he was send a commercial invoice in advance, so that was 10 kilos, and he was asked to have a deposit of 360 because there were 40%, and the seller didn't allow to taste the gold unless the buyer showed the proof of fund. So the buyer deceived himself, and he deceived me as well. So the buyer failed, and the buyer, while he was on the ground, he was been window shopping, and he didn't coordinate with me. And then what happened? Disaster. So if you are watching this video, and if you are going to use Wilhelmina, you need to be with Wilhelmina. You need to coordinate and plan properly, and you need to show me your proof of fund. This buyer, he didn't even show his proof of fund. He said he has a fund, $600,000. But he didn't show to me because I trust him. That is the reason today I wouldn't trust you guys. I wouldn't. Unless you can show me your bank statement that you have $1,000,000 or $950,000, then that is the time I'm going to believe. This time, I wouldn't believe you at all because I encountered disaster as well. Now, this guy, this buyer, he hired a security guard because he was watching Blood Diamond and they were being paranoid. They hired a security guard and I told him, what for? The gold is not in your hand. And the seller would not give the gold to you unless you pay the gold. Disaster. So some buyers are very tricky. Guys, I'm not tricky. Guys, I'm not a scammer. Why I'm gonna scam you? Why? You are deceiving yourself. You know what is the meaning of scam? You deceive yourself. I'm not. Once I bring you to the office, the contract is prepared. But this buyer didn't. And they deceived me. Well, and then he said, oh, well, Amina, I want to refund the $20,000. No, my $20,000 is non-refundable. That $20,000, I'm going to use that to buy my ticket to the hotel and miscellaneous expenses. Listen, guys, I went to my lawyer for advice. They charge me. And you use my services to fly, and this video is worth $1 million because I'm giving you the knowledge to purchase gold. Do you mean to say I'm going to work for free? No, I'm not here to give you for free. Gold is not for free. My services is not for free. Gold is expensive. My services is also expensive. Yes, I rejected 5 joker buyer. He said he's a buyer. And when I interviewed him, he has a lot of stories. And I told him, let's cut off the story. Where you coming from? And why you want to buy gold? How long you been searching for gold? I found out that he is not a buyer. He said, oh, I don't trust Africa. And why you travel to Kenya if you don't trust Africa? He come to me, and I told him, I don't deal East Africa. I only deal West Africa. Mali, Conakry, and Sierra Leone. And if you are a buyer watching me, click below and subscribe and get my contact number. Come for voting if you're from Dubai. Come for conference on WhatsApp. And I'm giving you a warning that our conversation must be recorded, and I will give you a copy in order for you to listen. And our conversation is live because my system is automatic. Why are you gonna be scared for? I'm not scared to show my face. I'm not. Why are you scared to be live? You're meaning to say you are fly by night. A real buyer would not be scared. Only fly by night. Why? Maybe that fly by night is a criminal. Maybe that fly by night is a smuggler. By the way, if you bring gold to Dubai, you're gonna be asked by your bank money laundering certificate. You need to apply that. You can apply that online whether your money is clean, because most of the buyer in Dubai, their money is dirty as well, coming from illegal activities. So there's a lot of requirements. Did the seller explain to you like that? No. Did the broker explain to you like that? No. Only Wilhelmina. So therefore, going back to gold is really bankable. And if you don't have the money, you walk in, bring that bar to the pawn shop, instant you get the money. Yeah? Now, I don't have the gold here. The gold is in the head office in Africa. This is gold refined already. Okay, I prefer to buy refined. I don't hand carry gold bar because I don't have the license to carry. You have to buy the gold to a licensee. I will take you to the office, because the office have the license, and you need to have a license as an importer, because when you bring that to Dubai or India or Australia or in Asia or in Istanbul or America, you need to have an importation license. The custom will open the metal box where are all the export documentation, and if it's incomplete, then you are considered as gold launderer. Is that make sense now, Mr. Baya? Now, going back to the price it fluctuates. Today is Friday, the last day of the transaction on the world market. So keep watching. Go on Kitco. Kitco is the best site. I always read because they are really giving the prediction. That's why I quote the Kitco that the price will rise before end 2025. Now we are now on 2025, end of 2025. The price of gold per ounce is 3,346.33. In dollars term is 107,598.98. All right, so Mr. Baya, I think I explained to you. Now I'm summarizing why the gold is so expensive. The answer is gold is taxable. Gold is the world asset. Why you want to buy gold? Because you are a gold trader. You are a jewelry manufacturer. Maybe you are a refinery. You are going to refine it. That's why you are looking to buy gold. And if you have the shop, then you make into jewelry. If you have a company mobile phone, the company is buying Doribar to make into spare parts on mobile phone, or industrial. So there are so many uses on gold. You must remember. So I don't need to explain further, because you are a gold trader. You know why you buy gold, why you want to buy gold, why are you in business. There is a purpose. So I think Wilhelmina is giving you the answer to your question. I just giving the answer to this buyer, what is the difference between gold bullion and Doribar. Very clear. If you went to school, very, very simple to comprehend, really. I went to school. My parents sent me to school. I digest it. So I will repeat again the difference of gold bullion and Doribar. Gold bullion is unrefined. Okay? Gold bullion, the gold bullion is refined. The Doribar is unrefined. You buy that, you make money, you will be given a really good price. Wilhelmina is here to renegotiate for you because you're paying me, right? There's no upfront. Whether you like it or not, you have to pay for it. Okay? So I think I explained already. So good luck and we'll catch up.